Hi, introducing today how to create Post Grid with Gutenberg. Before start creating, please make sure you have installed and activated Post Grid plugins. Go to the page and add new. I am providing my title in the add title box, Post Grid Gutenberg. Click on update. Now click on Toggle Block Inserter. While clicking this, we get a list of 4 blocks with section title and category block. Start with the grid layout and get an interface with 9 layouts. Let's have a quick view of each layout preview. Each layout contains particular layout preview. Now custom your grid column numbers as 4, 3, or 5, 6, etc. Layout style for grid, grid equal height, and masonry. Then text align into left, center, right for further customization. Now query build. Selecting post for post source, common filters. Common filter setting with include only, exclude, limit and offset. You can make a limit to show the numbers of your post. Now advanced filters of by categories. It shows the WP theme when you select it. Again HTML. Then by author, where you can choose author or admin. There's also start and end date, order by. You can select it in date wise, author wise, or as your choice. And sort order, show your post in a descending or ascending order. For filter settings, taxonomy filter shows all categories at front end. Author filter shows all user box and also has order by filter, sort order, and search order. Click on update and see here all the activations of filter settings. Taxonomy shows categories as HTML, template, or WP theme. You will also find pagination to turn on or off to show it. For links, I am selecting first single pop-up and click publish to see our first part of customization. Click on any post and see the single pop-up. But if you choose or select multi pop-up, it will show you the multiple post link rather than single pop-up. Or if you choose link to details page, you can see the details. It will show neither single pop-up nor the multiple pop-up. And for link target, there is same and new window with the thumbnail link. You can see show thumbnail link once turning it on. And turning it off. Now settings for field selection setting. You can watch the difference of my all customization while I am enabling and disabling all the field selection settings. Now go for post title. There is title tags, title position, as above image and below image. Title hover underline to enable an underline into our title hover. And title visibility styles, choose title crop. Now thumbnail, customize your image height with its radius system. Then lightbox. In excerpt, make your own excerpt limit. Move to the styles post title. Customize typography with font size, font weight in various options. Alignment, then appearance and behavior. Here is the title color for customizing. Then overlay style for customizing the thumbnail opacity and thumbnail transition duration. In the main wrapper, customize the wrapper width, background color is changing here. I am showing you the customization for background color by picking from color picker, and you can also customize your main wrapper padding and then update. See the view page. This is our customization with the background color. This is how we can create our post grid with Gutenberg. Thank you for watching.